Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Monday, the 27th of April 2026, and we took 2 hours. Shouldn't have been 2 hours, should have been a win and an hour, but that was just a stupid today. And I have practically blown the funded now. I've literally got. I'm in replay. I'm literally $40 off blowing it, so I'm gonna be real. That shit's blown, and I feel horrendous, but we learn from it. Shut up, dog. We learn from it, and we'll bounce back. We will bounce back. I know exactly what I did wrong on this. I had two very bad days. I had a day where I was literally one day away from payout, just needed $200, and I didn't even record because I was so, and I should have recorded because I need to be accountable, but I didn't record it because I was just so pissed off because I was literally one day away from payout. And yeah, I was up like $800, needed $200 for a 1k payout, one more winning day, and I lost all that profit in one day, was at break even. And then I had another day where I lost like 700, so I was in drawdown. I started off so well as well. I literally didn't lose for like a whole 2 weeks. Just break even on wins, one day away from payout, and now I've blown it. But it's part of the process, man. It's a canon event, so I'm actually not like, I am pissed, but I'm not actually that bad. Like, I know I can pass an evo, and I know I can get a payout. It's literally just my mind, and that's what's happened. So I'll bounce back. And another thing is risk management. The risk management on this funded was horrendous. Like, to start off, I was risking 200 per trade. Then I started risking 400 per trade, losing a few. And then when I was in drawdown, I was risking more. And the risk management was just poor. So I know that is the main reason. I would have got payout. That I know it's excuses, but I would have got payout if I had good risk management. If I had stuck to one to a certain amount each trade, then I would have had a payout and not fluctuated. So yeah, it is what it is. Like I said, I'll bounce back for sure, get a fresh evo, I'll bounce back from this. And yeah, I know where I went wrong, risk management and just not following my rules. I was following my rules for the first 2 weeks, only quite got me. I was up nearly 1k, nearly got a payout, and as soon as I started breaking my rules, I've blown the account. So I'm never breaking my rules again, and I've just voice cracked. Yeah, I'm never breaking my rules again because I do not feel like this again. So I actually won't. Like, I'm being strict now today because I was already practically blowing the account. I was stupid today. But it'd be nice to reset on the evo and just lock back in, because being one day away from payout is pain. But yeah, let's just get into the trade recap. So coming into the day, bang, all-time highs, obviously bullish. We respected this 4-hour gap on the hourly, respecting, but we were respecting this bearish gap. So I was expecting price to come lower, maybe sweep this 15-minute intermediate low, then go higher. But the main trade was this 4-hour intermediate low. As soon as we tapped that, I wanted longs. So yeah. So yeah, bang. Coming into the day, bang. We've swept this 15-minute intermediate low. Just wasn't a fan of this though. You could have took a 30-second. You could have took a 1 minute here. 30-second. Wait, I think, did I take this? I don't think I took this, right? No, I didn't. Yeah, I just didn't like this. I feel like we're just creating some more low resistance liquidity for when we do hit this 4-hour intermediate low, which we did. I just played it wrong today. Well, no, I didn't even play it wrong. I played it right. I just was an absolute idiot. So yeah, Want to find this 15-minute. There's no reason to long here because we've got this low light. I marked it out, but I knew I wasn't really going to take anything from here. So yeah, I was waiting. We were just creating all this low resistance. It was so perfect. And we swept the 4-hour intermediate low here, and we did get a 30-second inversion. I don't mind this trade. I actually do like this trade because I did have a lot of conviction. The only thing I could have done better was wait for CISD. If I waited for the CISD, obviously I wanted to toot this, and then I would have just toot this trade, and today would have gone so much different. Yeah, but I should have waited for the CISD or this little 1 minute fair value gap here. And yeah, that's what I should have done. But I don't mind this trade. Like, it's still A plus to me. I had a conviction. Got this low resistance, 4-hour intermediate low, SMT as well. So I didn't mind this trade, but just to be safe, I should have done better. You know, I should have waited for the CISD or even this 1 minute inversion. But this is what it is. Took the L, moved on. Was still confident in it. So then we swept this again, and then this another A plus trade. We still got all this low resistance to take. Got a nice 1 minute inversion. Got in there, and yeah, just if you can literally see how bad I managed this trade. So originally my TP was here for a nice little 1-to-1. Perfect. Like, why would you move that? And then I got greedy because I'm in drawdown of the funded and just everything. I targeted this 930 high instead, and then break even. I didn't even go break even on this. I was like, fuck that. Was this, and I was confident in this, but I still shouldn't have moved my TP. This 1 hour. I mean, we've hit it now. We hit it here. This 1 hour equal high on ES was formed, so I was confident we'd hit that, which we have now. So I was going to go break even once ES hit this high. Well, I wasn't even going to break even. I was going to trail my stop loss, like very aggressively once ES hit this high. And we just, as you can see, we just didn't hit it. And yeah, I just didn't go break even. I just let it play out, and this shit. I even scaled in here. I was like, I'm either making profit today, or I'm blowing this account, and that's not the mentality to have, I know, but it's what I had. And scaled in here once we got this 1 minute inversion, because I was still sort of confident because we had now this low resistance liquidity, and I was literally here. I was up about $600. Could have made profit today, but still didn't close it. Still didn't go break even. Was just chasing the money. Was being greedy, and yeah. If I just played today like this, took this, would have been perfect. But yeah, that is the funded done. And it says what it says. I will bounce back. I know my weaknesses. I know where I need to improve. Risk management for sure. I need to have a locked risk management. And I think that'll be 250 each trade on the funded. And yeah, I've got that. That's one thing. And then mechanically in that, I know this strategy. I know it works. I've backtested. I backtest every day, and it's profitable. It's literally just the mind. So I just got to master the mind. Like literally stuff like this, man. Like, how am I losing this trade? This trade was so perfect, and it's just greed. That is literally it. And that's another big thing, greed. I chase the money. I need to detach myself, but I know where I've gone wrong. I'm gonna buy a fresh eval, fresh mindset tomorrow. I know I can do it. Like, I actually do. Like, I was so close and some more fun with it. So yeah, I just got to work on risk management, work on my emotions, greed. Just greed, like, that's what's really done me over on this funded. It's literally been greed. Like, I've just been greedy, like, I've been greedy by over risking on trades to the point where you know, I've lost a lot in a day. I've been greedy like this. It's literally just greed and risk management, and I'll be back, and I will get the payout. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will bounce back, but yeah, fucking hell. I have blown the funded boys. It says what it says. I do have a giveaway going on. First off, join the Discord. First link in the bio. 20% off until the end of April at Alpha Futures. Use code SMG. And let me just see what this giveaway is. 2 seconds, boys. Yeah, I've got. I'm giving away 250k accounts on Alpha Futures, and all you have to do is 2 seconds. I've written it down here. All you have to do is use my code Alpha Futures. Just use code SMG, and you'll be entered into a giveaway. So yeah, do that. You've got 20% off at the moment anyway, so you might as well cop an account, and you'll be entered into a giveaway. Like, come on, boys, don't be silly. And yeah, get into the giveaway. Use code SMG. I will bounce back. Like I said, I'm not even angry. Like, I know I can do it. I'm just disappointed. I'm not gonna rush the process. I know everything will work out. I know that God's got a plan. So you know, we go back to eval, pass that eval, and get back on the funded with a fresh mindset, fixed risk management, and just a much smarter way, and not being greedy. But yeah, I'm waffling now. Code SMG, 20% off to enter the giveaway in a bit, boys.